Alrighty, well, another car we just got from good old Copart has arrived. It's a 2006 Mazda Tribute. Pretty clean car overall. There's not much paint fade really at all. Needs a good washing. This is the damage, which it didn't even touch the steel bumper reinforcements, so must not have been that bad. Let's have a look, because the old parts come with it. Again, 2006 Mazda Tribute, and that's got 80,000 miles, 82,000 I believe. 82,500 miles. Pretty clean interior. Again, you know, obviously everything can use a little more cleaning, but very clean for this color and being 20 years old. Now, let's see what the removed parts look like. Didn't look like that took much damage, did it? Let's see what this front bumper is talking about. Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm gonna use a little bit of plastic weld right there. Boom. And put that back on the way it is bumper wise. I just bought this vehicle so I can have something a little more affordable to drive around town, that I could still tow stuff in and not have to drive a big Bertha around. But yes, this is the newest car, and I reckon we'll get this one back on the road pretty quick. We'll be waiting longer on the title to come in than the actual car being ready.